Hey guys, welcome to Title Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing Scriptdio. Without wasting any more of your time, let us look at some of the benefits of Scriptdio, what Scriptdio can do for you, how it works, and also other things you need to know about Scriptdio. So what exactly is Scriptdio? Scriptdio is a software that allows you to generate high-impact sales scripts using SRP technology by simply swiping done for you smart template blocks and filling in the blanks. The software is designed to help you sell virtually anything. And the idea behind Scriptdio is to have a super easy to use sales copy maker with a very minimal learning curve so that anybody can actually make a sales script without any experience. Knowing that, let us see some of the things Scriptdio promises us. With Scriptdio, you'll be able to convert any idea to a high impact sales script. You'll also be able to integrate your input with done for you sales script smart template blocks. It comes with a free software update. It includes free software updates, and you'll be able to gain access to 210 smart template blocks. With 3 simple steps, you'll be able to use Scriptdio to generate quality scripts for your business without any experience. Commercial license is included, and because Scriptdio is cloud based, you don't have to install or download anything to use it. So during this launch period, there's a founder special deal, and this deal allows you to use this coupon code we are seeing on the screen for a $4 discount, instant discount. And this code will expire in 4 hours, so you need to take action right now so that you won't miss it. The best part is the 30-day money back guarantee, meaning they are assuring you that if you are not satisfied with Scriptdio during this 30-day period, you can actually get your money back. So what are people saying about Scriptdio? From all these testimonials written here, some have said that they've been looking for a sales script generator for ages and they finally found one. Some mentioned that it's an amazing product, and it is software that actually eases their stress in actually creating sales scripts. And it's not that it actually chooses their stress, the scripts it generates are really comforting. So if you want to see these testimonials yourself, you can actually see this yourself through a link in the description. So you've seen all the things it promises us. What exactly can Scriptdio do for you? Or I mean, how does Scriptdio actually work? In 3 simple steps it goes thus. The first step is simply to choose the type of sales script you want to create. And step 2 is where the magic happens. You'll be seeing a series of screens where you simply fill in the blanks with information like a product name, your product price and its benefits, and so on. So when Scriptdio collects this information for you, it makes use of copywriting fundamentals, copywriting basics to generate high quality scripts that you can use for to get conversion, to make sales with your business. And step 3, after all this process is done, with a click of a button, you'll be able to produce a complete sales script which is ready for you to preview and download. And that is just it. Those are the 3 simple steps you need to generate your next compelling sales script in minutes. We all know sales script is the most important persuasion tool. That is why you need Scriptdio, because it will allow you to generate high impact sales script for your sales videos, explainer videos, social ads, and even sales presentations by simply swiping done for you template and filling in the blanks. And yes, you'll be able to sell any product or service for any niche. That sounds really great, right? And all the templates are already done for you, so you do not need any sales script making experience at all. The stress is broken down for you. You don't actually have to make anything in scratch. You can get high quality sales scripts for your business with Scriptdio. So let us check how the SRP technology works and what it can actually do for you. With Scriptdio's SRP technology, you can generate unlimited scripts, upsell video scripts, webinar slides, done for you templates, explainer video script, call to action template, video sales letter script, social video ad script, slide presentation template. We can see all the really wonderful things you can use Scriptdio to generate or to make for you. and I'm very sure one or two or virtually everything can be very useful for you, and that is why you need Scriptdio today. So you can see for yourself how Scriptdio can be really efficient, how it can cut down a deal of time about creating scripts from scratch, and how its quality sales scripts can help you make money. So if you want to get Scriptdio for yourself, you can make use of the link in the description to get instant access. This is basically all you need to know about Scriptdio. So thank you for watching and see you next time.